How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version. After that, let me just change my account to the one that I have an profile picture in. So after that, head over to your profile that is on the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines that is on the top right corner. After you do that, scroll down. And right there, you can see a section that says who can see your content. Under there, you'll find your account privacy. Tap on it. Now right here, you will see another option that says prevent or disable profile picture zoom. Now, if it is not available in your region, like it's not available in my region, I won't be having that option. Now, if you have that option, you can simply toggle that button on and that will allow you to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. And that's basically how you do it. Now, if it's not available in your settings, that is due to you not having it on your region. Now, Instagram might bring an update which will enable it on your profile, so you can just wait for a few time until Instagram makes it available and then you can turn it off. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.